Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cotton candy art using an easy method. First, gather your essential supplies, like a cotton candy machine, paper cones, and your favorite colored floss sugar. Make sure your workspace is clean and free from any breezes, which can affect the delicate floss. It's a good idea to practice making a few basic cotton candy cones to get a feel for the machine before diving into art. Now, let's get creative with shaping. Begin by collecting a small, manageable amount of cotton candy onto your paper cone. Gently pull and stretch the warm floss, using your fingers to mold it into various forms. You can press pieces together to create solid shapes or stretch them thin for delicate details. Don't be afraid to experiment with combining 2 or 3 different colors for a truly unique look. To add depth and intricate details, start layering different colors of cotton candy. Take tiny pieces and carefully attach them to form features like eyes, noses, or even small leaves. Remember to press firmly, but gently to ensure new sections adhere well without crushing your existing work. It's important to work relatively quickly, as cotton candy is quite sensitive to humidity and can start to shrink. Finally, let's talk about finishing and displaying your beautiful cotton candy art. Once complete, you might want to secure your creation onto a sturdy base for stability. For an extra touch of magic, consider dusting it with a bit of edible glitter. Remember, cotton candy art is best enjoyed immediately, as it's a delicate treat. Now, step back and admire your unique, delicious, and truly edible masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.